Hello, good morning. Assalamualaikum. I'm physics fresh graduate of 2012 from University of General Sudirman, Indonesia. I have done my simple research and I will explain to you all as a physics community about my simple research about uncertainty between electric and magnetical fields. You know that the Heisenberg uncertainty principle is the regulation uh, which describes about the state of the particle and describe about the uncertainty of position and uncertainty of momentum of the quantum particle, so that we cannot now understand exactly between position and momentum in the same time. This principle is caused by a wave, a characteristic of the quantum particle is described by the Berkeley wave. You know that when the quantum particle, which has the Berkeley wave characteristic, has a charge. So this particle can product the electric or magnetical field and fill the space-time coordinates. Uh, my idea is simple, uh, that when the charge a particle, a quantum charge a particle, which described by the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, is uncertain in position or in momentum, it can give the impact to the uncertainty of the electric and magnetical fields. Because you know that a formula of the electric and magnetical field has as the function of a position uh, or function of position and velocity, so that we can relate between magnetic and electrical field to the uncertainty about the state of particle, about a quantum state of particle. I have I have gotten through my simple analysis through using calculus, and then we can show to you all that formula. Finally I can get the formula like this. You can see. I can zoom to you. This is first equation, and there is second equation. The first equation is describes uncertainty between electric and magnetical fields in one dimension. This uncertainty is related by this term to the uncertainty of the momentum and position of charged particle. So we can say that between electric and magnetical field is non-commute, as if non-commuting of the position and momentum of the charged particle. So when the charged particle, this is described by the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, so the electric and magnetical field is described is products uh, also uh, can described by uncertainty. This is the uncertainty formula of the electric and magnetical field. And and then the second equation is the uncertainty of electric and magnetical field in 2 and 3 dimensions. You can see that second equation is the generalization of the first equation. In the second equation, there is term which we can find in the first equation, but with the addition of this term. This term is not commute relation. It is not like this term. You know that this term also has a commutation relation. But the second term in 2 dimension or 3 dimension uncertainty of the electric and magnetical field, the tone has the commutative relation. It can necessary or not. Uh, this is the uncertainty of the electric and magnetical fields in which which was gotten from my simple analysis using my simple calculus. You can look once again. Okay, related between the uncertainty of the field and uncertainty of the state particle. Maybe it can uh, become a simple of to our all to imagine about the quantization of the fields. I think this it can be it can become another way, an alternative of way to understand about the fields quantization uh, during for besides using the quantum electrodynamic formulation uh, which we have been recognized about that formula. Okay, thank you very much about your attention. I ask you to give suggestion and critique on my simple research so that I can say about my mistake during I was doing my simple analysis. And thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.